Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hashim and today's video I'm going to show you how to fix broken thread. I'll show you what I mean, okay? Please don't forget me, like, subscribe and comment, yeah? Let's let's begin the job. Those two bolt thread, somebody was tying the bolt over tight before, so I like to fix them. I'll show you how I do fix them, okay? I am measuring the depths so to don't go over. Making sure the drill stays straight. Always using safety glasses. When the hole of the cylinder head reaching the yellow sticker, I stop drill from drilling the cylinder head. Using cardboard more safe. This one cleaning around so to make the new thread go in and does not touch the manifold. Making sure it's straight, and if get too hard to tie, loose and tie and can use a little bit oil. But this one with the aluminium, it's very easy because aluminium is not very strong and very hard, you know, to make a new thread. So I am making now this thread to put a new thread in this thread, okay? When opening the plies, be careful, don't damage the thread. Now time to put the new thread. So this one threaded from inside and outside. Put a little bit Loctite to keep the new thread very strong into place. Tighten hand tight and loose the bolt, and the thread will stay in place, very strong and brand new thread. Here we go, thread is fixed. Now I have to clean everything here. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and comment also in the comment, yeah? I'll see you in the next video. Good night, bye bye.